Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain example 1.30. Same model, exercise 1.3, 12th problem also there. So, if you prepare example 1.30, just to prepare exercise 1.3, 12th problem, because same model, okay, same model, same procedure, okay, it's very easy only. If f r to r, real number to real number, is defined by f of x 2x minus 3. So, your function they are defining as 2x minus 3. This is an analytical representation of function. Prove that f is a bijection. So, students, what is the meaning of bijection? Bijection means both 1 to 1 and on to. So, you have to prove that f is a bijection and find its inverse. If f is bijection, then only it is possible to find the inverse. I told in the theory part also, introduction part. Okay. So, inverse exists only when the given function is bijective function. If the given function is not bijective, inverse does not exist. So, here two parts you have to prove, students. First, you have to prove f is a bijective function or bijection. Second one, you have to find its inverse. So, if you want to prove it is a bijection, you have to prove both 1 to 1 function and on to function. Okay, first we will see 1 to 1. So, 1 to 1 procedure is dead easy. I already told. So many kind of problems we did. 1 to 1 means you take f of x equal to f of y, then prove that x is equal to y. f of x is equal to f of y, x, y and எடுத்துட்டு x is equal to y and prove பண்ணா போதும். Okay. So 1 to 1. f of x equal to f of y. What is f of x? 2x minus 3. They are already given. Is equal to, what is f of y? 2y minus 3. So minus 3 cancel. Next step, 2x equal to x, 2 cancel. Therefore x is equal to y. So it is 1 to 1 function. So different elements has different images. So if you prove x is equal to y, then definitely it is a 1 to 1 function. Then on to function. So on to function, you have to bring the x in terms of y. Okay, x na pre-image nama kondu varanum. Okay, yeah. So on to function, y is equal to x minus 3. Y plus 3 is equal to x. Because minus 3 when comes this side, it becomes positive. Okay. Now x means y plus y by 3 because 2 is in multiplication. When it comes this side, division. So now the diagram is like this. So this is pre-image, x value always in domain. This is a y value, codomain. For each and every y belongs to R in codomain, there exists, sorry, I will move this one, then we will come to know. Now you see here, this is a y plus 3 by 2, this is pre-image, this is a y, this is in domain, this is in codomain. So, for every y belongs to R in codomain, there exists a pre-image y plus 3 by 2 belongs to R in domain. So, therefore, it is onto function. That means what? Whatever the value of y you take in codomain. For example, y belongs to our real numbers. Real numbers, நீங்கள் எந்த நம்பர் எடுத்தால் கூட corresponding pre-image இருக்கு. So, real number, for example, if I take 0 plus 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So, 0 க்கு pre-image 3 by 2. Suppose if I take 1 plus 3 by 2, 2. So, 1 க்கு pre-image 2. Suppose if I take 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, some answer will get. That means for every y belongs to R in codomain, there exists a pre-image. So, what I told onto means you must check whether all the elements in codomain should possess pre-image in domain or not. So, they possess pre-image in domain. So, if you want to verify, if you want to check, then you can check like this. f of x is equal to y. So, this is x value, f of x. What is the definition of f of x? 2x minus 3. So, 2 into x value, this one you have to put, minus 3. Same order we did in exercise. 2 gets cancelled. Y plus 3 minus 3. 3 gets cancelled. That is equal to y. Okay, so it is a bijection. So, inverse exists. So, the given function is not only 1 to 1 function, it also a onto function. For each and every y belongs to R in codomain. Codomain lo irukra ella elements kume there should be some pre-image in domain given by y plus 3 by 2. So, it is a onto function. So, 1 to 1 we proved, on to 1 we proved, that's why it is invertible or inverse exists. Then how will you find the inverse? Students, remember 4 steps you need to find the inverse. Okay, what are the 4 steps we need to find the inverse? Anybody? First step is what? To find the inverse. To find the inverse, first step, express the given function in the form of y is equal to f of x. Second one, bring the value of x as we did previously. Same thing. You replace x as f inverse of y. One more time you are doing, that's it. Then you replace y as x, f inverse of x, fourth step. Okay, so now to find inverse, f of x is 2x minus 3. So y is equal to f of x. This is your first step. F of x they already given, then you substitute here. Y is equal to f of x. Step 1. What is step 2? Bring the value of x in terms of y. Okay, so y plus 3 is equal to 2x, x is equal to y plus 3 by 2. So x oda value y lo kondu varano ninge. Purida? So that is step 2. What is step 3? Replace this expression x as f inverse of y. Why f inverse of y? I told already. F of x is equal to y, x is equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is y plus 3 by 2. Step 3. What is last step? F inverse of x. You replace y as x. That is your answer. That's it. Very simple. So many times I explain all these 4 steps. Exercise sums, 3 sums we did. This is one more sum we did. Okay. So very easy to find the inverse. So that's it, students. Very important sum. Concentrate on this problem. 5 mark problem. Very important. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay. Bye. If you like this video, subscribe this channel. Okay.